John Farrell with the Farrell Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about how to structure an estate plan. But first, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We put out new videos every Tuesday and Friday. And make sure you hit the like button because, hey, every like helps. John Farrell with the Farrell Law Firm. To tell you a little bit about myself, I'm the author of Estate Planning for the Modern Family, and I was recently voted one of the top 3 lawyers here in Cobb County, Georgia, along with the law firm being voted one of the top 3 law firms here in Cobb County, Georgia. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of estate planning, how to structure an estate plan. Creating a well-structured estate plan is essential to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes and that your loved ones are taken care of. First, let's discuss why estate planning matters. Estate planning matters because it allows you to decide how your assets will be distributed after you pass away. It can also help you minimize taxes and avoid legal complications. Without a proper plan, the laws of your state will dictate how your assets are distributed, which may or may not align with how you wish that they were distributed. Now let's explore the key elements of an estate plan. First is the last will and testament. The last will and testament is a legal document specifying who receives your assets and who will be the guardian of your children if you happen to have minor children. Second, you should consider establishing a revocable living trust. A revocable living trust allows you to manage and distribute assets, even after your passing. You should also establish a power of attorney. A power of attorney allows you to designate someone to make financial or medical decisions on your behalf if you're unable. One of the biggest areas of mistakes I see is establishing beneficiaries. Name beneficiaries where possible to ensure your assets like life insurance and retirement accounts go to the right individuals. If you happen to have minor children, you need to consider a guardian for those children. Decide who will care for your minor children if you can't. Finally, you should have an advance directive for health care. This is the sister document to the power of attorney, and it outlines your medical care preferences in case you cannot make decisions. Now let's talk about how to create your estate plan. The first thing to do is to identify your assets. Now, this may seem easy, but you should list all of your assets, including real estate, investments, and even personal belongings. Second, as we talked about earlier, that you should name beneficiaries when you can on life insurance policies and retirement accounts, but this step involves determining who the beneficiaries of your estate are going to be. You should determine who will inherit your assets and in what proportions if you were to pass away. Third, it's time to choose an executor or a successor trustee. This is the person who will be handling your affairs after you pass away. They are called an executor on the will side and a successor trustee for those of you with a revocable living trust. You should select someone you trust to carry out your wishes. Now it's time to draft all of these documents. You should consult with an experienced estate planning attorney to create your will, trusts, and other necessary documents. Don't try to do these things yourself. Trying to do these things yourself is like trying to pull your own tooth. You might be able to do it, but you'll be much happier if you let a professional do it. Finally, make sure you review and edit your estate plan as necessary. The biggest mistake I see clients make is they put their estate plan into a drawer and let 10 years go by. So much changes in that time that the estate plan doesn't do what you originally intended for it to do. Make sure you regularly review and update your estate plan as circumstances change. Remember, it's crucial to seek professional guidance. Estate planning can be complex, and an experienced estate planning attorney can help you navigate the process, ensuring your plan is legally sound and tax efficient. Estate planning is a vital part of securing your family's financial future and ensuring your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Don't procrastinate. Start working on your estate plan today to provide peace of mind for you and your loved ones. That's really all we have to talk about today. If you've watched our videos for any amount of time, then you know what we do is we help people plan their estates. To do that, we've created a book called Estate Planning for the Modern Family. You're going to want to get a copy of this book, so I'm putting a link in the description below so you can order it online. It will tell you all about wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and the probate process. It actually also comes with a bonus. The bonus is if you're having trouble sleeping at night, you can read it and it will get you right to sleep. So make sure you read it in the morning. If you want to learn a little bit more about the firm or maybe schedule a free consultation for yourself, give us a call at 678-809-4922. That's 678-809-4922. I'm also putting a link in the description below so you can reach out to us to schedule that free consultation. All right, that's all we have for today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because we put out new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and make sure you hit the like button because, hey, every like helps.